Welcome back to more commentary stuff. We're playing, I think, on the reverse map, the reverse world. Yeah, this one is kind of like a rough one. Took forever, I think, but I think we're fine. I don't think I was really looking for a bonus here. I think I was just trying to get stuff. Yep, now I'm doing that. Black. Just playing. I think I was just trying to get the most territory, so I get a territory bonus. Can't believe orange already has a bonus. Now red has a bonus. That's not good. Okay, let me see if I can try to get black out of here. I do. Let me put those over there. Okay, so I got a bit almost black out of here. I'm gonna see if I can take the right side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to take the right side bonus. I think. I'm just trying to take all of it. I'm not sure now. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try to get green out of here first. It's like a 3-point hold. Actually, but maybe not yet. Yeah, I just took this bonus. That's a 2-point hold. No, 3-point hold. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try to attack green now and get greedy with it and stuff. Yeah, add some troops there so they don't attack us. Do I get to keep it? Let's see, find out. Okay, we do keep it. That's pretty good. I'll try to get more green out of there. And all of that. Got 2 bonuses already. I kind of forgot about the right side of this for a little bit. But yeah, that's fine though. So Red already has. Oh, he had another bonus. Dang, it got broken, but he had 2 and then he lost 1. Still has 1. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this other bonus and get black out of here and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I basically almost have all the outer bonuses, which I didn't realize. Yeah, and then I'd start attacking green and defending my bonus. I think I was attacking green. No, I was attacking black. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I think I'm just trying to eliminate black here or orange. I didn't see that. I don't know if I saw it when I was playing it. Yeah, yellow's gone. Okay, so I gotta turn in for 12. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to eliminate black and orange here. I get some more cards. I just got 2 cards, that's nice. That's pretty good. Now I'm attacking black. Yeah, and I messed up trying to kill black. So that sucks. So I basically trapped black pretty much. So I just started trying to break red's bonus. Nice, I just got another card. Yeah, then black breaks a lot of my bonuses, which is great. But I think I got black this time. And I'll get black cards. 2 cards. Nice. I just got another 2 cards. That's pretty good. Okay, yeah. When my turn ends. Yeah, now I'm just trying to like block it off, I guess. Man, I almost have like the entire like left side of the map, and red almost has the entire right side of the map. I don't know if I can win this. Yeah, and I'm eliminate green here. Nice, I just got the kill on green. Nice. That was me versus red. Red doesn't stand a chance. And now I'm attacking red. I don't know why. I think I was just messing with the button by accident and I kept on rolling with ones. That was bad. I don't know why I did that. I think I was just messing around. Yeah, it looks like we got red here. That's crazy. This game was crazy. Yeah. Man, I get another card trade? That's crazy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content. See you guys in the next video.